In this video, you'll learn everything you have to know about symmetrical triangles, chart patterns, and I will show you how to trade with these patterns. Hello and welcome guys to another video. I hope y'all doing great. Okay, we have BTC USDT 15 minutes time frame. Guys, choosing the asset and the time frame is totally up to you. But remember that the higher the time frame, the more accurate analysis. Now, let me show you how to open a long position using the symmetrical triangle chart pattern. Okay guys, first thing you have to know about these patterns is that they are continuation patterns, which means if an uptrend enters the pattern, an uptrend will exit, and in the other hand, if a downtrend enters the pattern, a downtrend will exit. Now, how to use a symmetrical triangle in order to open a long position? It's super easy. Guys, first we have to find two highs. That's one right here, and this is our second high. And the second high should be lower than the first one. And we will connect these two with a trend line. Okay? All done. Second step, we have to find two lows. One right here, and this is the second one. The second low should be higher than the first one. We will connect these two lows as well with a trend line. And now guys, we will continue these two trend lines. Guys, as you can see, we have our symmetrical triangle. And since we had an uptrend entering this pattern, we expect an uptrend to exit. Easy as that. Now guys, whenever a candle breaking our upper trend line, this downtrend line, the pattern will be shaped. And we expect the price to have a huge move to the upside. But how much? All you have to do is consider the distance between the highest high and this uptrend line. Okay, let me put it right up here. Guys, as you can see, it is perfectly completed. Okay, that was everything you have to know about this pattern. Now guys, before I show you how to open a short position using the symmetrical triangle, if you have liked this video so far, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. And click on that bell thing as well. Cheers! How to open a short position using the symmetrical triangle. Everything is literally the same. First, we have to find two highs. And the second high should be lower than the first one. Then we have to find two lows. And the second low should be higher than the first one. Then we connect these two highs with a trend line and these two lows with another trend line. We will continue these trends so we can use them afterwards. Okay, all perfect. Guys, look. Since a downtrend enters this pattern, we expect the price to continue in the same direction because the symmetrical triangle is a continuation pattern. So, whenever we had a bearish candle breaking the lower part of this pattern, we expect the price to have a move to the downside. But how much? All we have to do is consider the distance between the highest high and this trend line, the uptrend line. Okay, let me bring it down here. As you can see, we hit the TP in a perfect way. Guys, that was literally everything you had to know about these two patterns. Thank you so much for watching us. Stay safe and remember, you are
the coin magnet.
Peace.